Hello everyone, this is the Bohemian Dreamer with you today, and today I was having a little sugar craving, but I didn't want to have sugar because it's not good for your health. So yeah, I thought of making some homemade healthy ice cream. I think you will like it. Please subscribe to the channel and let's get to it. Okay, so first we'll need some milk. Here we have toned milk, Amul toned milk actually. This is for 4 people and I want to make it in a large batch because last time I made it we actually finished it in one day. So this time I want to make it at least for 2 days. And then we'll need some ripe bananas. So for 4 people, last time I used I think 2 bananas, I will use probably 3. So how to make it sweet without sugar? The key is to add sweet fruits, so either bananas or mangoes or dates. You can add dates. I'll add one more because I am not going to add many mangoes here. Yay, the mangoes! So this is a large one. I picked it up thinking about this ice cream actually. A bowl to mix the banana and the mango together, and this is my special ingredient, so cardamom. So I will add 3 cardamom to the milk. Another ingredient that I will add is this. Don't get me wrong, this is not sugar. So this is mishri, and mishri is different from sugar because in sugar they add like lots of chemicals in the factory, and mishri they are like okay, when the sugar cane juice comes in, they first have this really yellow raw material they have, and one part of it they send it to the sugar factory and there they chemically process it. And for mishri they don't do it, they just dry out the juice, and that unprocessed, unfiltered, unadulterated version of sugarcane juice is mishri. So this is called dhaga mishri. So we had the thread mishri from Amazon. I will try to put the link in the description box below. Still, you don't want a lot of it if you are maintaining your calorie and you are in a diet, but you can have it instead of sugar. Better to have it than sugar. So we took that thread mishri and we just grinded it to this very fine powder, so it is easier to mix. I made another version with this honey, so this also tastes equally good. This is also from Amazon and I will post a link in the description box if I find it. So this is neem honey. The aftertaste of it will be a little bitter, but it is very healthy nonetheless. I totally forgot, I will add another ingredient, peanut butter. This peanut butter will help in getting the texture and the color of your milk. So this is a toned milk, it is not a full fat milk. So if you add the peanut butter, you are going to get the good fats from peanut butter, which will make your ice cream a little creamy. I am taking the 2 bowls of milk into one bowl and I am going to add the cardamoms here. Okay, so let's go and boil this milk. This is already boiled, but I want to ensure that the aroma of the cardamom seeps into the milk. That is why I am again warming this up with the cardamoms. The cardamom aroma is already setting in. The milk has boiled and it's done. Before it comes into the room temperature, you would want to add in the peanut butter. So this peanut butter is also made from just raw peanuts. This has also been bought from Amazon, and here no hydrogenated oil were used, just roasted peanuts. You can see from the texture that it is not oily at all. 2 big spoonful. Mix the peanut with the milk really well. It will take time, but it will be done, don't worry. Instead of peanuts, you can also like roast peanuts at your home in the microwave. Also in microwave it doesn't take any oil or anything. You just put raw peanuts in a microwavable bowl and just roast it for normal 2 minutes and it will be done. So roast peanuts at home, and you can do it, paste it in your home also using your mixer grinder. So that also works. I have made this ice cream using that version of peanut butter as well, and that is also equally tasty. The peanuts will change the milk's texture and also the color to some extent, and it will have that really fluffy and creamy texture of ice cream. Now it's time for the mangoes and the bananas. First goes the bananas. Then goes the mango. The milk has not yet come into room temperature. It is somewhat warm till now. So I don't want to add the fruit mixture right now, because adding fruit to your warm or hot milk can make your milk curdle. Before the milk comes to the room temperature, you want to add your sweetener. Here, as I said, I am using Mishri, but you can use whatever you want. You can use honey, and if you want to add Mishri, you want to add the threaded one. The milk has come to a room temperature now. I am going to slowly add the milk to the fruit mixture. I don't have an ice cream mold, mainly because whatever I have found online, those are mainly made of plastic, and I want to reduce my plastic usage. I am mainly working in these stainless steel bowls right now, and they are working perfectly fine. So my ice cream base is done. I'll keep them in the freezer for 6 to 7 hours. You have to measure according to your freezer's limit.